Little Mac Ski Hill, known as Little Mac, is a community-operated ski area adjacent to Mackenzie, British Columbia, Canada in the northern Rocky Mountain Trench. The area has one toe lift and vertical differential of 90 meters, 295 feet. The longest run is 210 meters, 689 feet. In addition to downhill skiing, the hill also has areas for tobogganing and snowboarding. Little Mac Ski Hill is funded by the District of Mackenzie and is maintained through the municipality of Mackenzie. All matters regarding Little Mac Ski Hill is handled by Public Works in Mackenzie. Little Mac is one of the main tourist attractions to Mackenzie, British Columbia. Even though the hill itself is very small, the close proximity to the town of Mackenzie makes it a hit for families and children of all ages. It was announced on July 25, 2008 that the ski area would receive $160,000 from the Towns for Tomorrow program of the provincial government to rebuild the Little Mac Ski Chalet. Though not directly part of the ski area, there are 32 kilometers, 20 miles, of groomed inlet cross-country ski trails immediately accessible from the town of Mackenzie, with 3 specially built warming huts. Northern BC Ski Hills and Resorts. World Web.com site. Pat Bell, MLA. Website. Mackenzie BC.com website. Mackenzie page at hellabc.com. BC Tourism. District of Mackenzie website.